Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Nissan Rogue tail light. First, open your vehicle's rear hatch to gain full access to the tail light assembly. You'll then need to locate the two 10mm bolts that firmly hold the tail light in place. Using a suitable socket wrench, carefully loosen and remove these bolts. Keep them in a safe spot so they don't get lost during the process. This initial step is crucial for a smooth removal. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It might feel a bit snug, but a steady pull should release it from its clips. Next, you'll see an electrical connector attached to the assembly. Press the small tab on the connector and carefully pull it apart to disconnect the wiring. Make sure all wires are completely free before you fully remove the tail light unit. With the tail light assembly removed, you can now access the individual bulbs. Each bulb is housed in a socket. Simply twist these sockets counterclockwise to release them from the housing. Once a socket is out, pull the old bulb straight out. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb when inserting it firmly into the socket. This helps prevent premature failure from oils on your skin. To reassemble, first reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Then, carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into the vehicle until it's flush. Reinsert and tighten the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier, making sure they are snug but not over-tightened. Finally, test your lights to confirm everything is working correctly. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.